Okay guys, how you going there? This is Patrick speaking. I hope you're having a great day today. And what we're going to do today is have a look at the new raid system that they have going in Cryptoblades. Okay, unfortunately you won't be able to win any skill in these raids at this moment, but you'll be able to win some drops. Okay, let's have a look at the drops. Looks like you can get 2 to 5 star swords, you've got trinkets, looks like some sort of junk, question mark, could be pretty exciting, and you've got some dust, lesser, greater dust, and also you have some powerful dust. Alright, and this is the Hellborn that we're going to be fighting. He's called the Fudbringer. Okay, and it looks like he's got the fire emblem, so that's why I'm going to be choosing my water fighters. Okay, what I have to do now is choose a character and choose a weapon. Do I have any 5 stars? No luck. Anyway, I've got a 4-star weapon here. Let's do it. Click on sign up. Okay, click confirm. And let's check out how much that actually costs. Okay. Right now the economy is not so great, as we all know. But most of us who are watching this channel do believe in this game. So hopefully it will improve in the near future. Fingers crossed. Let's check out if that transaction went through. Yes, it did. Let's check out the price. Alright, so that cost about 64 cents. So there you go. If I do my whole account, 4, 6 to 24, it's about $2.50. Okay, it's going to cost me about $2.50 to do a whole account. Looks like all those transactions went through. Okay everyone, so there you go. I just did the raid, and it will actually lock up my characters for 12 hours. I will lose, joining will cost 12 hours of stamina. So after 12 hours I'll get all my stamina back, and hopefully I'll have some of these little rewards here. We'll have to wait and see. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and please remember, if you are interested in making a guild, leave a comment below, because once we start making a guild, we can gather more and more members who may be interested. And the future of Cryptoblades could be very, very good. Right now we just don't know, the economy is not so great, but I think we all are believers in this game. Most of us, I do think we are believers, so hopefully in the future the economy will get better, and if we have already decided and created a guild, we will have 1 foot head start among the rest of the people who are in this game already. So if you're interested in making a guild, leave a comment below. Guys, thank you very much for listening today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.